Where the hell is Alora?
She's gone, Damon. She will not be bothering us ever again.
What? Gone? So that is really her! Where is she going?
I heard Regina is transferring back to our school. But the maid at your house, how do you plan to handle her?
Alara? She's just a free fuck toy. The only one I love is Regina.
7 years of love. 3 years as your secret lover. I thought it was love, but to you, I was just a free, on-all toy.
7 years ago, I, fresh out of high school, left the country with my mom for almighty Stellings in LA. I spent every day on edge, terrified of every step I took, until I met him.
Help! Fell into the pool while cleaning it? What a moron. Change the pool water later. Help! Don't get the master's pool dirty. It's all right. You're safe now.
In that moment, he was the only light in my dark world.
I would have done anything for him, even given my life.
Master!
Don't be scared, Master. I'm getting you out of here. I thought I'd spend my life loving him from the shadows. Until that night, when he pulled me into his bed.
Master, you're drunk!
Last night was a mistake. Here, 100 grand on this card.
I don't want your money. Master, please, just give me a chance to be with you.
Fine. But this stays between us. No one else can know.
He's the king of the field, yet he carried an old injury in his leg. I buried myself in medical books, just so one day I could help him. For 3 years, I gave you my all, and you never once warmed to me. I thought you were just cold by nature.
Alara? She's just a filthy maid. She could never compare to Regina.
You've never looked at me with that tenderness. If you don't love me, I'm taking back every piece of my heart.
Seriously, Damon, why are you so hooked on Regina?
You're finally awake. Are you okay?
Regina saved me in that fire. Without her, I'd be dead. She's the only one I'll ever love in this life.
Yara, your application is approved. You'll join me as a student on a highly classified UN project. Once you commit, you'll be cut off from the outside world. Are you certain?
Yes. I'll finish my thesis presentation in a month, then I'm gone.
Hey, little maid. Your master's waiting. Get in there and serve him.
There was never a place for me by his side, and now I don't need one.
Where the hell is Alara? She took a call and bailed. She used to rush over the second I called. What's her damn problem today?
I'm here. Pick me up.
Never mind. Regina comes first.
All is junk.
I was
going to give him this at graduation. That's not happening now. No, this isn't just about him. It's my life, too.
What's with the bag? Where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going?
Damon, what are you doing here?
And who is this?
Just my maid's daughter, another servant.
Oh, it's you! 3 years of fetching his bags? You must be exhausted. We're celebrating Damios' big win. Jump in, my treat.
Regina, you're an angel, even inviting the maid.
I've got work to do. You guys have fun.
Regina invited you, so just go, don't get dramatic.
Fine. One last dinner before I disappear forever.
Regina? Hot dogs? Is this the big celebration?
What is wrong with hot dogs? They are simple and yummy. It is full of street vibe.
That is what I like about Regina. She is simple and real, not fake one bit.
Master, try this one. It is really good.
What the hell is this? So disgusting. Get that trash away from me.
When Regina eats hot dog, she is simple and real. When I do, I am trash. So, graduation is coming up. What is your plan, Damon?
Come on! Damon's the football star at school. He's gonna be a legend. First in LA, then across the country.
What about you, Regina? You are not leaving LA again, are you?
No, I am staying. I am applying for Professor Lawrence's research team.
Lawrence? The WH medical consultant? That guy is a god in the medical world.
Their research is huge for athletes. If I get in, I will be a legend in medicine.
Then it is settled. I will build you the best private lab in LA. Whatever you need, it is yours.
What about you, Alora? Any big plans after graduation?
Plans? She is just a maid. Even after graduation, all she is good for is serving Damon and orbiting around him.
I am leaving. I'm leaving.
Come on, guys! Eat up before the hot dogs get cold.
I have things to do. I'll get going.
Oh my god! Are you okay? Is this for Damon? You're actually in love with him? Give it back!
Writing love letters in secret? Let's read them out for everyone. Damon, from the first moment I saw you, I just loved you. You were the light in my dark, miserable life. Today, Damon won the game. He even smiled at me. Seriously? You maid actually thought you had a chance with him? Throwing yourself at him? What a pathetic slut.
Wow, Damon, you're quite the charmer. Even the maid's fallen for you.
Enough! Alora, you make me sick! Regina, she's just a maid. There's nothing between us.
Whatever. Didn't you say you were taking me on your private chopper? Let's go.
7 years of my love, and all I got was disgusting. I'm done, Damon. I'll never love you again.
Is she coming too?
Still coming with us? You don't belong here.
Help! Damon! Help!
She can't swim?
Everyone knows how to swim. Don't bother with her.
He actually forgot I can't swim. Fine. You saved me 7 years ago. Now, we're even.
Still coming with us?
Elora, I just landed in LA. I wanted to see you before we started the project. Are you all right?
Professor, thank you. Let's go inside.
She was really struggling back there. Leave her for a bit, then I will have someone drag her out. Maybe she will learn not to cross Regina again.
Damon? What's wrong?
Nothing.
Hello, Professor Lawrence.
Elora, have you checked the itinerary? Everything is set?
Yeah, I have.
Good. Once you finish your defense next week, I am getting you out of LA.
I will be ready, Professor. 7 years in this house, it is finally over.
You are writing Regina's academic report for the graduation speech.
Do it right.
And I will forget about the mess you caused last week.
Why can't she write her own report?
Regina is busy preparing for Professor Lawrence's team.
Since you're so good at this, just get it done. Stop complaining and have it finished by next week.
I am leaving the second I graduate. I am not doing a single thing for you ever again.
It is done.
Really? You are sure it will be okay?
Elora is just a maid, but she has got a brain. Let her do the work while you focus on your medical dream.
Awesome.
Damon, I'm up next! Where is my report?
Relax, Regina. I am on it.
Elora! Where is the damn report?
Where is she? What is she playing at? My birthday? I knew it. She is still obsessed with me. Regina, got it. Sending it now. Get ready for your speech. What the hell? Is she actually leaving?
What are you doing in my room?
This is my house. I can go wherever I want. Where have you been? No calls, no texts. What the hell are you playing at?
I was at the library finishing my academic report.
The ceremony is starting. Get in my car. We're going to school together.
No thanks. I'll take the bus.
Fine. Have it your way.
I saved him, and I got this scar. After all this time, it still hurts. I was such a fool. That's my speech. Thank you.
Did you get all that? I'm having the dean play that video on every screen in this school. Everyone needs to see my girl's brilliance. Look at our star quarterback. Hiring a pro crew just for Regina's speech? That's some real deal love right there. Only Regina could get Damon this worked up.
So, Damon Sterling, a cold-blooded bastard like you, actually has a romantic side.
An incredible presentation, Regina. Next up, Elada Grant.
Good morning, professors. My thesis focuses on the global revolution in biopharmaceutics.
Aleda Grant, stop right there. Why is your report identical to Regina Clark's?
What?
Regina crushed it. And I'm guessing some folks didn't even prep? Now they're eyeing someone else's report?
Exactly! Seriously shameless!
Alara Grant, plagiarism is a strike one offense. It could cost you your graduation. You better have a good explanation.
Professor, I ran all over LA. Libraries, archives, stayed up nights working on this report. I didn't plagiarize.
Please. You mean Regina stole your work? You're just a maid, running after Damon all day. There's no way you wrote a report this complex. Just get out! You're a disgrace!
I wrote it myself. Every single word. You wrote it? Fine, then tell me. The data on page 3. Which medical journal did that citation come from? Explain the methodology. It was from the, wait. She can't even name a source? Did Regina actually steal it from Alara?
Damon.
I can prove it. I personally helped Ravina gather that data. Professor, are you really going to question my Damon Sterling's word?
It was you. You handed my report to Regina and then, just to cover her, you shamelessly lied. I wrote every word of that report. Do you dare swear on your family's name?
I, Damon Sterling, swear that Regina wrote this report herself. Anybody got a problem with that?
The Sterlings are top tier in LA. They funded the library and the tech building. We can't mess with them. Based on Damon Sterling's testimony, Elora Grant, your report is officially marked as plagiarism. You receive a 0. You'll have to retake your defense next year. Regina Clark, you pass.
Damon, you're amazing.
I personally helped Ravina gather that data. Professor, are you really going to question my Damon Sterling's word?
7 years. I gave 7 years of my life to a man without a soul. What a joke. Look at this. The little maid is crying alone in here? You stole my work. Aren't you afraid the truth will come out and ruin you? Damon handed me that report himself. With him backing me, nobody in LA will ever believe a word you say. Shameless. What the hell are you doing? You have a filthy mouth. Let me help you wash it. A maid, daring to steal the show? I'll ruin you today.
Don't worry. I'll make you feel every bit of pain.
Regina? Are you in there?
Oh, it hurts so much.
Regina, are you okay? What happened?
Eloda, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have been around Damon. I shouldn't have taken his report. Please don't hit me. My back, it hurts so much.
I gave her that report. Come at me. How dare you lay a finger on Regina?
I hit her? Are you blind? Look at who's bleeding.
You're just jealous. Regina outshines you in everything.
Listen closely, Elora Grant. If you ever touch her again, I'll make sure you and your mother vanish from Los Angeles forever.
Regina, I'm taking you to the hospital.
I'm bleeding all over, and you don't even see it. She cries once, and you side with her instantly. I was wrong. Loving you was the biggest mistake of my life.
Elara, I've checked the report issue and cleared your name. I'm personally vouching for your graduation. You're my top student. I'll pick you up tomorrow for the research center.
Thank you so much, Professor. Who are you? Let me go!
You hurt someone you shouldn't have. 10 lashes, then we're even.
Damon? Regina fakes a fall? And you're whipping me for her?
Regina already has scars from saving my life. You hurt her, so you pay. I'll make it up to you later, Alada.
That scar! Where the hell did you get that?
How did I get it? You really don't remember, Master? Anything else?
How bad is the wound? Let me see.
No need.
I know you feel wronged about the report, but Regina's trying for Lawrence's med team. She need a clean resume. She's worked for her dream. Don't make a big deal.
Her dream? A clean resume? What about me? I'm the one being branded a thief? Do I just not matter?
You're a maid, Alada. What do you need a dream for? All you have to do is stay by my side and be good.
You were born with everything. Of course you don't need a dream. But I'm not like you. You've ruined my future!
I ruined you? Get real, Alada Grant. You begged to stay by my side. And didn't you hit Regina too?
I didn't touch her!
Enough. I'm not arguing about this anymore. So you graduate a year late. Big deal. Stay with me, and you'll never want for anything.
Damon, my back and chest, it hurts so much. Can you please come see me?
Sure. I'm on my way.
Stop crying. You always wanted to be my dance partner, didn't you? Tomorrow at the graduation ball, you'll dance the opening with me. I'll have your dress delivered to the school.
I begged you for 3 years, and you never gave me the time of day. Now that I'm leaving, you think a dress and a dance will fix this? Save it! Everything about you, Damon. I'm cutting it out of my life.
Elara, ready? I will pick you up at the school gate in 10 minutes.
Thank you, Professor.
Excuse me. Which one of you is the Sterling family maid? Mr. Damon Sterling sent this custom evening gown.
I do not want it. Take it back. Since when do you, a lowly maid, get to make decisions for Damon? Oh my god! It's stunning! Regina, it is your favorite color! Damon must have had this made just for you! See that? This is how much Damon loves me.
Whatever. I am leaving this place for good. No more getting mixed up with you.
Acting all high and mighty.
How do I look? Magnificent, sir. Truly beyond compare.
Elora should have the dress by now. Gold was made for her. She's going to be so happy tonight.
Shall we? The lab's on a remote island. Regular phones won't get signal. This is a special dedicated phone.
Thank you.
Elora.
cannot be. She is probably at the ball waiting for me.
Mom, promise me you'll take care of yourself.
Don't worry, I've already resigned. I'm heading back to the countryside. Just focus on yourself, and come visit whenever you miss me.
The graduation ball has officially begun. Gentlemen, please welcome the ladies you have been waiting for.
Lara, I had this dress made just for you. I am gonna make this a night you will never forget.
Damon, you are the best. I will cherish this forever.
You? Where the hell is Elora?
She is gone, Damon. She will not be bothering us ever again.
What? Gone?
So that is really her! Where is she going?